In this topic, we'll be learning about the samasa prabhedaha, the types of samasas, types and subtypes of samasas, niyamaha, the rules of samasas, basic rules, general rules, and how is actually the samasa formation, how is it taking. Now, at the end of this lesson, we'll learn the basic rules, types of samasa, and steps in forming the samasa. Basic rules of samasa, we have already studied this. Samasa happens between subantas only. Subantanam eva samasaha. Samasa happens between nouns only. Subanta refers to all namapadas, avyayas, kridantas, tadditas, visheshanas, sankhya. All these are subantas. Samasaha tingantanam nabhavati. It doesn't take place with tigantas. The second rule that we see is dvayoho eva yugapat samasaha. Samasa normally takes place between two words at a time. At a time, only two words join. This is in almost all the samasa except dvandva samasa. Now let us take the example Rajatachala Shringagra Madhyasthayai Namo Namaha. This is a Namavali in Lalita Ashtotram. Rajatachala Shringagra Madhyasthayai Namo Namaha. What is the meaning of this? Rajatasya achalaha, rajatachalaha. Now this entire samasa has got, samastapada has got 6 words. Rajata, achala, shringa, agra, madhya, stha. 6 words are joining to form the samasa. First 2 words, rajata and achala. Achala means mountain, rajata means silver mountain. Rajatasya achalaha, rajatachalaha. Now, Rajatachalasya Shringam. Achala means mountain. Mountain's peak. Peak is called Shringam. Rajatachalasya Shringam. The peak of the silver mountain. Now, Rajatachala Shringasya Agram. The tip of the peak of the silver mountain. Rajatachalasya Shringasya Agram. Now, Rajatachala Shringa becomes one word and joins with Agram. In the previous case, Rajatachala became one word and joined with Shringam. Now, similarly, Rajatachala Shringagrasya Madhyam, the middle of the tip of the peak of this silver mountain. Rajatachala Shringagrasya Madhyam. Next one. So, Rajatachala Shringagra becomes one word and joins with Madhya. Next, Rajatachala Shringagra Madhya joins with Tishtati Tistaha, Stha, and becomes Rajatachala Shringagra Madhye Tishtati Yasa Stha. That is 5 words joining the Rajatachala Shringagra Madhya is one word. It is joining with Tishtati Stha. It is not joining with Tishtati. Don't think that it is joining with Tishtati. I will explain this in Upapada Tatpurusha and other Tatpurusha. It is joining with Tishtati Stha, one who stands. So in here it is the Devi who is standing or who is residing. One who is residing in the middle of the tip of the peak of the silver mountain. So what is the general rule that we studied here? We studied the meaning and all, that is okay. But dvayoho eva yugapat samasaha. The samasa takes place between 2 words at a time, and then those 2 words will become one word and it can join with another word. Those 3 words can become one word and it can join with the 4th word. That is the way samasa happens in general for all samasas except dvandva samasa. Dvandve tu yugapat bahunam eva. Harihara guravaha. Harihi cha haraha cha guruhu cha harihara guravaha. In dvandva samasa, we can join all the words together. Now, what is dvandva? What is this samasa? We will be learning now further. Parasparanvayaha asti chedeva samasaha. There should be a relation. There should be a meaningful combination of words in samasa. Now, suppose we say Ragyaha Putraha, Rajaputraha, son of the king, right? Now, Ragyaha Putraha Gachati, Rajaputraha Gachati, we can say. Very good. We made the samasa. Now, Rajaputraha, we made the samasa because we saw that the son of the king was going, or son of the king goes. Now, in that case, we made the samasa Rajaputra. Now, let us take, here there is an anvaya between Ragyaha and Putraha. The Putra is related to the Raja, and therefore we can use Rajaputra as the samasa. Now let us come to this sentence. Bhavati darshanam rajnah putraha chorasya dhavati. This is a standard sentence, standard example. Being our gurus have taught this example, and this is the example which everybody teaches in the Samasa chapter. Bhavati darshanam rajnah. As soon as he sees the king, on seeing the king, putraha, the son of the thief, runs. Putraha chorasya dhavati. Now, just because Ragyaha Putraha are side by side in this sentence, we cannot make Bhavati Darshanam Rajaputraha Chorasya Dhavati, we can't make. Because there is no relation between Putraha and Raja. This Putra is related to the Chora. He is the son of the thief. Son of the thief, we can't make him the son of the king. It is not correct. It is incorrect. There is no parasparanvaya, paraspara relationship, paraspara sambandha nasti putraha rajnyasya asmin vakye. So since there is no parasparanvaya, we can't do the samasa here because putra is related to chora, darshanam is related to raja. That is how we have to make the samasa. Rajnyaha and putraha are not related to each other. Is Bhavati Darshanam Rajaputraha Chorasya Dhavati is incorrect and cannot be used. Parasparanvayaha asti chedeva samasaha.